Hello students, welcome to the maths class. Today in this video I am going to explain exercise 4th B of linear inequations. In this exercise you are going to study a representation of the solution on the number line. Means how can we represent the solution set on the number line. So I will take some questions from exercise 4th B, and through those questions I will tell you how to represent the solution set on the number line. So you see the questions of exercise 4th B. You can see question number first. In this questions many parts are there. Two parts I am taking, part third and part fifth. You can see represent the solution set of each of the following inequations or inequality on the real number line. So first of all you can see this inequation is given 2 into 2x minus 3 is less than equal to 6. X belongs to real number. First of all you need to understand what is the meaning of real number line means. X belongs to real number. It is given or not. If they are saying in the question on a real number line, if they are giving in the question on the real number line, it means that x belongs to real number. You have to keep in the mind. So that's why I have written here x belongs to real number. It is not given in the question, but I have written here x belongs to real number because they have said on real number line. So first of all you solve the given inequation. So by 2 both the sides you divide. When you divide by 2 then you will get 2x minus 3 is less than equal to 3. Now when you take 3 from LHS to RHS then you will get 2x is less than equal to 6. Now you divide both the sides by 2 then you will get x is less than equal to 3. Now x is less than equal to 3. So the numbers which are less than 3 or equal to 3, they will be shaded on the number line. One more time I am telling to you, the numbers which are less than 3 or equal to 3, they will be shaded on the number line. Now less than 3 infinite numbers are there, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. And between them decimal numbers also, because it is the case of real numbers. I told you between two real numbers there are infinite real numbers. So that's why you can see the number line. On 3 you have to make dark circle. Why dark circle? Because equal to sign is there. X is less than 3. If it is x is less than 3, then hollow circle will be made on the number line. If x is less than equal to 3, means equal to sign is also there, then dark circle will be made. So that's why I made here dark circle. You can see on 3 dark circle, because here equal to sign is also there. And less than 3 all the numbers, you can see this part, you can see before 3 all the part with arrow I have darkened. Before 3 all the numbers, or we can say all the part of the number line with arrow I have darkened, because it is the case of real number. So every part you have to dark. So like this is the solution of the first question, third part inequation. Now one more part I am taking, seventh part I am taking. So here already solved inequation is given. It is given minus 5 is less than x is less than equal to minus 1. So x is greater than minus 5 but less than or equal to minus 1. X is greater than minus 5 but less than or equal to minus 1. So from minus 5 to minus 1 you have to move. So at minus 5 you can see hollow circle is there. At 1 dark circle is there. Why it is? Because at 1 equal to sign is there, but at minus 5 equal to sign is not there. So that's why at minus 5 I have made hollow circle, and at 1 I have made dark circle. and middle portion you have to dark fully because it is the case of real number. So like this you can make number line. Many other questions I am taking. Fourth question, fourth part you can see. 2x plus 5 upon 3 is greater than 3x minus 3. X belongs to a real number. Here also same question is there. You have to represent the solution set on the number line. So first of all, cross multiply. When you cross multiply, so 2x plus 5 is greater than 9x minus 9. Take the terms having x you take on one side. The terms having x you take on one side. 2x minus 9x is greater than minus 9 minus 5. So minus 7x is greater than minus 14. X is less than 2. Why less than? Greater than has become less than because you are dividing both the sides by minus 7. I told you if you divide both the sides by a negative number or if you multiply both the sides by a negative number in an inequation, then inequality sign changes. So that's why x is less than minus 2. Now make the number line. So the numbers less than minus 2 all will be darkened. So you can see here number line, add to hollow circle. It is hollow circle. It is not dark circle. It is hollow circle. Add to I have made because equal to sign is not there. Add to, and the portion before 2 I have darkened with arrow. You can see with arrow I have darkened full portion because it is the case of real number. So with arrow you have to dark. Now question number 8 you can see, find the values of x which satisfies the inequations. This inequation is given. This time x does not belong to real number, x belongs to natural number. Grab the solution set on the number line. So that's why it is different question. I have taken this question. So how to solve, you can see this is the inequation and here two inequality sign are there, you can see. So this is the combination of two inequations. So by taking middle term two times you can make two inequations. Minus 2 is less than equal to 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 and 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 is less than equal to 1 whole 5 upon 6. Now I have made here, you can see one line I have made, this line you can see. Now separately you solve both the inequations. So 2x minus 2x upon 3 from RHS to LHS you can take, it will become positive. So 2x plus 3 is less than equal to 1 upon 2 already given in RHS, and this minus 2 from LHS to RHS you can take, it will become plus 2. So 2x plus 3 is less than equal to 5 upon 2 by taking LCM. X is less than equal to 5 upon 2 multiplied by 3 upon 2. This 2 upon 3 from LHS to RHS it will go and it will become 3 upon 2. Now after solving what you are getting 15 upon 4. X is less than equal to 15 upon 4. X is less than equal to 3.75. Now second portion you see, minus 1 upon 2 minus 2x by 3 is less than equal to 1 whole 5 upon 6. Minus 2x upon 3 is less than equal to 11 upon 6 minus 1 upon 2. Take 1 upon 2 from LHS to RHS. Minus 2x upon 3 is less than equal to, take LCM 6, 11 minus 3 upon 6. Now minus x, it will become 8 upon 6. 11 minus 3 upon 6, 8 upon 6 multiplied by this 2 upon 3 I am taking in RHS. So 3 upon 2 it will become. So minus x is less than equal to 2. X is greater than equal to minus 2. Again you are multiplying both the sides by minus 2, or you can say you can transfer minus sign from LHS to RHS, then inequality sign will change. Transfer means you are multiplying both the sides by minus 1. So that's why inequality sign is changing. So x is greater than equal to minus 2. Now you have to combine these two inequations. x is less than equal to 3.75, x is greater than equal to minus 2. I told you in previous video, I told you the number facing the corner, you can see facing the corner, this is the number minus 2 is facing the corner. So that will be written first, then the less than sign will come, less than equal to sign x, and then less than equal to sign the number facing this open mouth 3.75. You can see 3.75 is facing open mouth, you can see again. So you have to write that number. One more time I am telling, first you write x in between, then less than sign both the sides, the number facing this open mouth, this is 3.75, you write here, number facing corner minus 2 you write here. Now at both places equal to sign is there, so equal to sign here and here you have to put, here you put, here you put. Now after combining, what you are having, equation you are having minus 2 to 3.75, but x belongs to natural number. So here solution set can be made in raster form because it is not the case of real number. So numbers separating by comma you can write in solution set. Numbers separating by comma you can write in solution set, because this time limited numbers are there in the solution set which can be written. In case of real numbers, unlimited numbers are there which we cannot write by putting comma. So that's why we cannot denote the case of real number in raster form. So here minus 2 is not natural number, minus 1 is not natural number, 0 is not natural number, 1 is natural number, so 1 you write, 2 you write, 3 you write, 3.75 is not natural number. So less than 3.75, 3 is there only. So 1, 2, 3 are the values of x which will come in the solution set. Now you can take on number line these values. So this time it is the case of natural number, again I am telling to you. So only number you have to dark which are coming in the solution set. So 1 is coming, so 1 you dark, 2 is coming, 2 you make it dark, 3 is coming, 3 you make it dark on the number line. So this is the solution of this question. Now one more question you see, that is question number 12. Solve and grab the solution set of 2x minus 9 is less than 7 and 3x plus 9 is less than equal to 25. X belongs to real number. Again it is the case of real number. How can we solve it? First in equation you see 2x minus 9 is less than 7, 2x is less than 16, x is less than 8. X is less than 8, so less than 8 number line you make, less than 8 full portion you have to dark with arrow. So I have darkened, but at 8 hollow circle will be there because equal to sign is not there. So less than 8 full portion I have dark with arrow. Next, second equation, 3x plus 9 is less than equal to 25, 3x is less than equal to 16, x is less than equal to 16 upon 3, x is less than equal to 5 whole 1 upon 3. Now here you have to understand again, 5 whole 1 upon 3, case of real number is there and equal to sign is there. So add 5 whole 1 upon 3, you have to make dark circle. Now how to denote 5 whole 1 upon 3? 5 whole 1 upon 3 you know very well, this is the number between 5 and 6. 5 whole 1 upon 3 is the number between 5 and 6. It is greater than 5 and less than 6. Greater than 5 and less than 6. Again in front of you I am writing 5 is less than 5 whole 1 upon 3 is less than 6. So what will you do on the number line? You will take, you can see here, between 5 and 6 I have made 3 part. Again I am showing to you, this is 5, this is 6. Now equal 3 parts you make. 1, 2, 3. Now first part denotes 1 upon 3, second part denotes 2 upon 3, third part 3 upon 3. So at first part, because 5 whole 1 upon 3 is there, So first part denotes 1 upon 3. Here you have to make dark circle. So you can see here I have made dark circle. And before this full portion you have to dark with arrow because it is the case of real number. So I did the same. I have done the same. So now you have made the graph of both the inequations, but you have to make, here you can see, solve and graph of the solutions at this and this. And is coming. And means you have to take common portion of both inequation. And for that common portion you have to make the graph. One more time I am telling to you, and is there. If and comes between two inequations, and comes, and is given in the question, then you have to make the graph of the common values of both inequations. So here you can see in front of you both number line I am showing to you. You can see on this number line, on this number line, what portion is common. Here 5 whole 1 upon 3 is coming. You can check here 5 whole 1 upon 3 is coming. Yes, because between 5 and 6 full portion is dark. So it means that 5 whole 1 upon 3 is also coming. So 5 whole 1 upon 3 and the portion less than 5 whole 1 upon 3 is common in both the on both the number line. You can see on first number line 5 whole 1 upon 3 and the portion less than 5 whole 1 upon 3 is darken or not, and on second number line is also darken. So common portion is graph of the solution set of x is less than 8 and x is less than equal to 5 whole 1 upon 3. X belongs to real number is 5 whole 1 upon 3. At 5 whole 1 upon 3 dark circle, and full portion before 5 whole 1 upon 3 you have to dark with arrow. So this is the solution of such type of question. Now one more question is coming in which OR is given. 13 question. Just after 12, 13 I am taking because here OR is given. Solve and graph the solution set of this or this. 3x minus 2 is greater than 19 or 3 minus 2x is greater than equal to minus 7. X belongs to real number. Case of real number is there. But this time OR is given. OR means you have to take the values of both the inequations. Values of x obtained from both the inequations on the same number line. Values of x obtained from both the inequations on the same number line, then it will be the graph of OR type question. Okay, now you see first inequation 3x minus 2 is greater than 19, x belongs to real number. 3x is greater than 21, x is greater than 7. You can see the number line, x is greater than 7. At 7 hollow circle because equal to sign is not there, and greater than 7 full portion is dark. Next inequation 3 minus 2x is greater than equal to minus 7, x belongs to real number. Minus 2x is greater than minus 10, x is less than equal to 5 because you are dividing both the sides by minus 2. So you can see number line at minus 5 equal dark circle is there because equal to sign is there at 5, and the portion which is less than 5 fully dark with arrow. Now both line you can see this line, first line and second line, both solution on the same number line you have to show. So that's why I have written graph of the solution set of x is greater than 7 or x is less than equal to 5, x belongs to real number. You can see both values on the same number line I have shown. X is less than equal to 5, this is the portion. X is greater than 7, this is the portion. So such type of questions like this you can solve. Now one more question, 18th question you can see. P is the solution set of 7x minus 2 greater than 4x plus 1. Q is the solution set of 9x minus 45 is greater than equal to 5 into x minus 5. Don't be confused here. It is 5 into x minus 5. It is not cutting. It is 5 into x minus 5. Actually, behind this paper, behind this paper I have made number line, so that image is coming, image of number line is coming. I did not cut this. Again I am telling to you, it is 5 into x minus 5. X minus 5 is not cut, it is the reflection of number line made behind the paper. So x belongs to real number, represent p intersection q, p minus q, p intersection q dash on the different number line. So first of all, you find the solution set by solving given inequations. 7x minus 2 is greater than 4x plus 1, x belongs to real number. 7x minus 4x is greater than 1 plus 2, 3x is greater than 3, x is greater than 1. So solution set is coming, x such that x belongs to real number, x is greater than 1. So it is P, because they are saying it is P. Solution set is P. For second equation, solution set is Q. 9x minus 45 is greater than equal to 5 into x minus 5. 9x minus 45, 5x minus 25, multiply by 5 inside the bracket. 9x minus 5x is greater than equal to 45 minus 25. So by solving, x is greater than equal to 5. So this solution set is Q. Q such that Q equals x such that x belongs to real number, x is greater than equal to 5. Now P intersection Q. Student, you have to take common portion. First inequation was x is greater than 1. Second, x is greater than equal to 5. Now in these two, what is common portion? So x is greater than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to so on. X is greater than equal to 5 means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to so on. So what is common portion? I am writing for your convenience 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and here 5, 6, 7. So you can see and so on and so on. So this portion is common. 5, 6, 7. One more time, I am changing my brush color so that you can see very well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. 5, 6, 7 and so on. So you can see this portion is common in both the inequation. So 5, 6, 7 means greater than 5. 5 in first inequation is coming because it is greater than 1, you can see. And in second, 5 is greater than equal to 5, x is greater than equal to 5. So common portion is P intersection Q, x such that x belongs to real number, x is greater than equal to 5. So number line you can see at 5 I have made dark circle because equal to sign is there, and the portion greater than 5 with arrow fully dark. So this is the required answer. Now one more question, you can, second part is there in this, P minus Q. P minus Q, what is the portion? It means that portion of P which is not in Q. P minus Q means portion of P which is not in Q. Now x is less than 1, x is greater than, x is greater than 1, x is greater than equal to 5. So 1 to 5, you can see 1 to 5, this is the portion which is not the portion of Q, second in equation. So that's why I have written from 1 to 5 is the portion which is not in Q. So now you make the number line from 1 to 5, at 1 hollow circle, at 5 because equal to sign is not there. 1 is not included in first in equation and 1 is not, 5 is not, 5 is included in second equation, but we have to take the portion which is not included, means 5 is the portion of P, Q, 5 is the value of Q but not of P. So that's why we have to take portion of P. So 5, less than 5 we have to take. So 1 to 5 you have to dark the portion, but at 1 and 5 hollow circle will be there. P intersection Q dash. P intersection Q dash, student, you have to keep in mind it is P minus Q. So same as second part. Now one more question I am taking, 32 question. 4x minus 19 is less than 3x upon 5 minus 2 is less than equal to minus 2 upon 5 plus x. X belongs to real number. Now again two inequalities, combined inequalities given. So two inequations you will make. So first inequation, 4x minus 19 is less than 3x upon 5 minus 2. This middle term 2 times, and 3x upon 5 minus 2 is less than equal to 2 upon 5 plus x. Here listen, and does not mean that you have to take common portion. Here you are separating the combined inequation into two inequations. Again I am telling to you, here you are separating the combined inequation into two inequations. So here common portion will not be taken. Common portion you will take when in the question and is given. So here now you solve. So after solving, 4x minus 19 is less than 3x minus 10 upon 5. Cross multiplying, 20x minus 95 is less than 3x minus 10. 20x minus 3x is less than minus 10 plus 95. 17x is less than 85. X is less than 5. Second inequations you see 3x minus 10 upon 5 is less than equal to minus 2 plus 5x upon 5 by taking LCM both the sides. 5 is cancelled. 3x minus 10 is less than equal to minus 2 plus 5x. 3x minus 5x is less than equal to minus 2 plus 10. Minus 2x is less than equal to 8. X is greater than equal to minus 4. You know very well, because I am dividing both the sides by minus 2. Now I told you, if you are separating two inequations from a combined inequation, then you after solving you have to combine both. So you combined both. Combining method, you know, minus 4 is less than equal to x is less than 5. I told you many times. X is less than, x belongs to real number. Now you make minus 4 to less than 5. From minus 4 to less than 5, add minus 4, dark circle, add 5, hollow circle, middle portion fully you make it dark. So like this students, you can solve all the questions of exercise 4th B, and this is the last exercise of the chapter. After this exercise, this chapter gets over. If you have any problem, then you can ask. So thank you and have a nice day.